Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Saki Does Stuff Toys and Collectibles channel. We are back here at the table, and as you can see, we have a Mattel Creations package here, and we will go ahead and get this opened up. Not even gonna mess around today. Here like that, and let's get this, see what's inside here. Probably pretty obvious. It's a Mattel Creations package, but we have Sy-klone. So excited I was able to get him. But let's take a look at this packaging here real quick. We have, just set it up like that so everybody can see it. Now we'll bring it a little closer here. We got Sy-klone reflecting off my light. Kind of zoom into the artwork here. He's taking care of the horde robot trooper things. We have whatever that is. And then the back, we have Sy-klone whirling in and punching the little snake monster from the Fright Zone, it looks like. Got Hordak's face on the upper left there. We have, looks like Moss Man down below. Cool. And then there's the snake glaring there. That's a look at the packaging, and it has the collector's edition right there. Let's get this opened up. Looks like I can score the tape right there. Let's see, how would this open? Oh, like that. Alright. Oh, look at that. On the flap there is the explanation of how you do the action feature. You gotta pop his torso up. It looks like you can do the spin from there. Or no, excuse me. Yeah, spin, and then to lock him back into place, push down. Awesome. That's a neat way to display the instructions. Alright, slide them out here. Let's put this off to the deal here, the side. Actually, let's put it down here. You can kind of check out the artwork as we're opening. Freeing Sy-klone from the clear plastic deal here. Got the, oh, gotta cut them things off first. But let's see if I can do better on the comic this time. Like that. We have the Fog of War. That's Lord Grasp, I think. And we'll do one of these. Try to tip it so that you can see it, but it doesn't blind you with the reflection there. Like that, and we have like that, and then on the back it says Masters of the Universe. Hopefully did a little bit better that time on the comic. So let's free the little ring deal. There's one. There's two. Simple enough. like that. And how is Sy-klone in here? You pop the shield. We'll check it out. It doesn't have the things holding them in. That'll be a first. We'll pop the shield out first. Like that. Like that. In the back. Got these cool little whirlwind effects. Like so. And they're hollow in there. And then they peg into where his hands go. Yeah, I didn't see any holding them in. Yeah, doesn't have the them things I snipped off this thing. I like that. Oh, feels good. There we go. Look at that. It's the elbow bend and all the hand swivels and all that stuff. The head. Everything seems to be good tight joints on it. And the ankles. Cool. There's all the swiveling and all that stuff like you should. And then he's got kind of like a backpack thing you can plug that into. But we'll do that in a minute. We'll bring him up close. Kind of check him out there. Do the more complete spin here. I believe that's exactly where it was there. And has the hologram. Like that. So now let's get the action feature going. They said you need to pop it up like that. Better open the arms up there, like so. And you see it popped up there like that, and then you can just spin them. Look at that. Spinning, punching action. I don't think it'll do. When I was a kid, I'd hold it like this, and the legs kind of flopped around, and you could go like this, and his legs would spin. And then I used to kick the action figures like that. I guess you could just kind of like so with it. But that's how I used to do the action feature with my Sy-klone, in addition to the punch. But it was kind of weird. You could just hold him like that, and if you got the swing right, he would no, not gonna do it on this one. That's alright though, just gonna sit on the shelf. Just a little story of how I used to play my Sy-klone. Okay, there we go, popping back into place. But that was the spinning feature. Let's go ahead and get these on here. Got the ring on. Let's get a shield on this arm. Get a cool pose going before we put the effects on his, there we go. Got a shield. Like that. That's all right. Why don't we move one of his hands and Put one of these on there. Oh, they even have a hinge on them. Look at that. Got the whirlwind going. Turn them to the side there so you can see it. Yeah, I kind of expected it to kind of be... They really don't weigh a whole lot. Actually don't weigh much at all. So that helps. There he is with shield in left arm and got the Sy-klone effect going. Then we, of course, we got this deal here, which was on the 2000X version, I think. But that's cool they included that. I like it. So let's get the shield off. We're gonna double barrel this. Maybe. You bet. I can get him bound. Oh, look at that stuff. Dual Sy-klone effect there. That is so awesome. I love it. Bring it up close. Yeah, they're on there. That's really awesome. I like how they're hollowed out in the middle there. They really did nice on that effect. But I am very happy to have this character in my collection because he was one of them that I used to play with a lot as a kid. And then I'm really excited to see Extendar coming. That's another one that I had a lot of fun with when I was a kid. But that is Sy-klone, and you can there it went the effect. That was me being a little too well. I'm trying to hook him up for the hula hoop effect here. Like I've seen other people do. There you go. There it is. I had to show it like that as well. Well, that is Masters of the Universe Origins Sy-klone. Very happy with that. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.